Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add products and WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to open the product editor, and to do that you will need to log in to WordPress dashboard, okay? And then you will need to go with products right here and click on add a new product. So then you will need to enter your product title or name your product, and after that you'll need to put a description of it just right here. Okay, so you'll need to enter full details like features, usage, size, etc. This text helps with SEO or SEO. So after that, you'll need to scroll down and choose right here simple product. So that means one product, one price. That's the best for beginners. So if you choose the variable product, that's different. That means different sizes, colors, prices. So it requires attributes and variations. So for the grouped products or external and affiliate products, that's like bundles, affiliates, links, and downloads, okay? So after choosing a type, you will need then to enter the regular price and the sale price, and that's the second one is optional, okay? And after finishing, you can go ahead and add a product image. So actually you will need to enter or to add the main image. So you will need to upload high quality image, okay? So just click on product image, go with select file and select file from your files or your computer files, and then it will be uploaded to or into your WordPress or your site. So actually guys, as you can see, you will need to have an image between 1 megabytes out of 3.2 gigabytes upload, okay? So the maximum upload file size is 2 gigabytes. So keep it in mind. So you will need to set up the product gallery, product categories, product tags, and brands, likes and share, etc. You can allow them from here, and after you finish you can go and click on publish, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.